So, what's up for today?
Today we are going with my friend Eric Hidalgo, the best tour guide in all of Costa Rica. He lives in Alajuela.
Oh, close by the
Heredia.
airport. Yeah, Heredia.
Heredia. And we're going to go to Poacito. It's a little town, and have some breakfast at Fritos. Then we're going to Paz Volcano and La Paz Waterfall Gardens. I'm losing my breath.
We're gonna enjoy the time here, guys. The weather is beautiful. It's a blue sky, a little windy, but it's so good being here. I hope you enjoyed it.
Bueno,
Very nice.
pura vida.
So we are stopped at
Reto's restaurant in Poacito. And they have strawberry drinks here and wonderful comida typical breakfast, Costa Rican breakfast, which we'll probably have.
All right, who has two thumbs and is happy to
One
be
check
here?
and I'll take care of it.
You can't see my other thumb though. We are adjusting our plans. We were going to the volcano, but with clouds coming in, we can't see much, so we're
To the dairy farm. This used to be where the cows, the older cows, were lined up for the tourists, and they would have their heads through those bars and eating hay while we all learned to milk cows. And now it's a restaurant. I guess that wasn't very financially rewarding, milking cows.
Here we are, going into La Paz Waterfall Gardens. Aviario.
Oh, picture.
Bruce is the picture boy.
And all right, so give me the lowdown. What are we going to see first, second, third, fourth, fifth?
We're gonna go to the aviary first, and then we're gonna go see some butterflies, and then we're gonna see some snakes and some monkeys and jaguars,
And toucans.
and then some toucans are in the bird place, and then we're gonna go to a little typical farm with ox carts and oxen, and then we're gonna go see some beautiful waterfalls, and then we're gonna end up way over there somewhere in the jungle, and that's
Lost.
gonna be it. Lost.
Nice. Macaws, scarlet macaws. And toucans are up in there. Ah, that's a macaw if I've ever heard a macaw. Oh, a toucan. No, I understand
Having to keep going on people
that they
Say that in
are
Spanish.
even carnivorous.
Yes, you can read. Yeah, claro.
He's going to get a picture. Not on the shoulder this time.
Very nice. Thank you. So we're not allowed to, oh, excuse me.
No, you're in it. You're part of my...
Well, let me
that's
take
a
a
beautiful
picture.
bird. That's a
Let me take a picture of you with the bird. Come on, Bruce.
Where we live in Costa
Oh,
Rica.
all right. That's a guan, G-U-A-N. Go stand behind the guan there, Linda, so I get you in it. Heavily hunted like wild turkeys. For their tail feathers,
Good for a dinner.
they got...
Something says, got anything in your pocket? No.
All out in the open. So this is way cool. It's a huge aviary with all kinds of beautiful birds.
Would you say the blue-footed boobies that stay on the rocks, and now they've
They
got
stay
a
on the
red?
rocks, and that's where they nest. And the red-footed boobies have adapted to where they nest in trees, and yet they have webbed feet. And the Nazca boobies, they nest right on the trails and in open areas. So all three boobies, but they do different things on different islands.
Fitting in different niches.
Different environments, that's right, and they've adapted to what's there.
They have different niches in their different habitats. This guy kept all by himself, but you never know what happened to him. This is a rescue center they brought here. Maybe he just doesn't get along with other toucans. There's a chatty Cathy duck.
The interesting thing in this house, we'll see that they have all kinds of chrysalis and cocoons and butterflies and moths hatching, which is really nice. They do a lot of studies here on them.
Mm. Oh, beautiful. Look at all that beautiful color on
Look,
the
Donna.
inside.
He opened his wings. What?
Oh, look at that. That's a morpho.
It's a what?
Morpho, the name of the butterfly, royal blue. Oh, its wing is injured.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Can't fly.
No.
That's a little butterfly.
Everybody likes Larry.
Yeah, but he's pooping. Might be laying an egg. Now I can't ever take this shirt off again.
They're such great tourists. Yeah. Beautiful. The whole place is full of butterflies. Really good. And all the cocoons they have in here. They line them up by the kind that they are. And here are some more they have to hang. Must be fun working in here. These guys are just coming out. Hummingbird feeders. If you can see what this guy's doing, if I look up close, got his proboscis stuck underneath the yellow flower, and it's right in there, sucking out the juice. Tanya has one on her head, and that's a beautiful flower. Sweetest can do.
Down
Monkeys
to the,
freak my wife out. She does not like monkeys.
Really?
Yes.
Afraid to grab her hair?
She just doesn't like them. I don't know.
Ah. Well, some people don't like snakes. Some people
Black-handed
like
spider monkeys.
Yeah, they're way cool. They've got like long legs and arms.
Just hanging out. Pretty good size, and look at the color. Whoa. That was pretty. Come on back, babe. Hummingbird don't fly away, fly away. Ooh-doo-doo-doo. Oh, it's a deep blue. Serpent, no flashes. We're going inside, so I need to adjust. Automatically adjust.
Fine snake.
Snakos de Costa Rica, 137 species, 22 venomous, 92% below 4,900 feet. So we don't have many of them up here. Okay, so Larry says, according to some herpetologist, this furlance is one of the deadliest snakes
It's got a
in
bad
Costa Rica.
company. Oh, this is his domain, huh?
Posing for you now. I say one thing, they got nice enclosures. A lot of them. Oh, there's another one over here. Up
Beautiful
high.
creature.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's up there.
A bigger one, looks like a much bigger. That's probably a male. This might be a female, but this is smaller.
There's another one.
Beautiful enclosure with all those waterfalls and everything. I think it's really nice.
The musculature of this animal. Just amazing. Oh, look at how thick that is.
Ocelot here, three jaguars. Probably an ocelot or something like that.
Leather. They just seem to be able to sit there contently.
It's a matched pair of oxen,
Beautiful.
just so you can oxen. There's the cart back there. Or she had him up here. Oh, that was a fan dancer. Down here. Venus was naked. Right. Oh, that's better.
You guys are fun.
All right.
But Larry was just saying, look at all the work that had to go into putting this in down here. This is carving out on the side of the hill, and they had to put cement drainage in, and then these pavers all the way down with steps, and it is wetter up here in the mountains. They're getting rain almost every day. We've had a little sprinkles already today. But we go down to waterfalls and then to the bus that takes us back to the start. Well, I stuck in too much water on my camera. I'll tell you what, somebody had to work hard. Yeah, Lorenzo, and putting this in, talk about a trail. I mean, Roger will appreciate these steps. Holy cow. But look at this, look at it. I mean, they went to the trouble to make this cement footing to hold this all up, and it just keeps going up and up. Oh, Lorenzo.
Hey, Papa.
Tell me the story about the secret of the waterfall.
Well, we gotta wait till we get to the right place. We're not there yet.
I see the waterfall.
You see the cave next to it?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to stare at the waterfall for 30 seconds. I will time you. Just stare directly at that waterfall. Do not move your eyes off of the waterfall. When I tell you, I want you to move your head to the right and look at the cave.
Okay.
No,
all right. So let me do this. I don't know either.
Do it first without the camera.
All right. I'm going to do it first without.
Stare at the waterfall for 30 seconds. One more time. Here we go.
I'm going.
When I tell you to move to the right, you move your head just there and take the cave. Okay, you can look at the cave. What's happening?
It's going up.
How the hell did that work? Is that cool or is that...
Lorenzo, very game, decided to come this way to see the extra waterfall,
Muy bien.
which meant
Grande.
climbing a few more stairs. But more waterfalls.
More waterfalls. Well, it's called